Hey, wasn't your birthday like a couple weeks ago?
Yeah, it was a couple weeks ago, actually.
Better late than never. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Oh, I meant to ask you, have you registered to vote yet?
No, I haven't even thought about it, actually.
Well, lucky for you, I am a member of My School Votes in My School, which we help high school students to register to vote. Well, you really should have registered to vote at 17 and a half, but I'm gonna let it slide,
Okay, so what do I need to do and how do I do it?
Well, let's watch this short little quick video of the district to show you how to register to vote.
To register to vote, you must be a citizen of the United States, a legal resident of Georgia and of the county in which you wish to vote, at least 17 and a half years of age to register, and 18 to vote. The deadline to register to vote in the presidential election is October 7th, and we encourage anyone who meets the requirements to register to vote.
Did you know that youth voter turnout rates in the 2020 presidential election were the highest in southern states, including Georgia? In fact, Georgia was a pivotal electoral battleground state in 2020 and is shaping up to be the same in 2024. Through Clayton County Public Schools alone, we register an average of 800 students, parents, employees, and other stakeholders a year. But that's not nearly enough.
That's right, Ms. Love. And on behalf of our Superintendent, CEO of Schools, Dr. Anthony W. Smith, I encourage all citizens who meet the eligibility requirements to register to vote by the deadline of Monday, October 7th, 2024. And remember, it's our right.
In Georgia, your vote holds immense power. By registering to vote, you're not just exercising a right, you're actively participating in democracy. Whether you're passionate about education, the environment, healthcare, or any other issue, your vote is your voice to advocate for what matters most to you.
But here's the thing, you can't vote if you're not registered. That's why we urge every eligible student or other stakeholder to take a moment to register today. It's quick and easy. If you are a student, teacher, or staff, we have a banner in every high school and the central office where you can scan this QR code to begin. You can also visit the Georgia Secretary of State's website to register online. It all starts with one simple action, registering to vote.
Well, that's it.
Wow, that seems pretty easy. That's all I have to do?
Yep, that's all you have to do. But you can't forget to vote. What you do now can shape our future. Together we can make a difference.